So hello, my name is Sabit Mark Maxwell 2019 BIT 109 PS. So I'm here to present my project, which is a CRM, an online bookshelf. So by another introduction, let us first know what a system is. A system is an interconnection of things working together. Its components include software, hardware, procedures, people, networks, information, and data. What is basically a customer relation management system? It's a software made to create connection between customers, employees, and owners or employers. But since my project is a web-based, let us first know what is a website. A website is a collection of web pages and related content that are identified in a common domain name and published on at least one web server. My system will allow entries and save the entries on the database. Let's go down and see what's basically a database. A database is a collection of all related data that can be accessed electronically using computers, etc. Database includes data definition languages, data manipulation languages. This is what database management system allows users to do the following tasks: data definition, updation, retrieval, user, and administration. Why did I choose this? I chose this type of project because it is easy to access data, easy to download books online even when you don't have time. It is relatively cheap to maintain. You don't have to hire people. It's easy to know the number of books downloaded. Let's go down to the business case. Of course, these are the disadvantages. Consumes power, it's very expensive, record loss when there is something, when power suddenly goes off, the system crashes, attacked by hackers, etc. Now, overhead, you need to hire people, elimination of human element at work, security issues, etc. When we go to the business case, why is it important to use a CRM? It is important to use a CRM because it improves the efficiency. My system will be essential in business because it offers an efficient way of handling large amounts of data. It is relatively cheaper because, as I told you, premises you don't need to hire. It shortens transport costs, etc. It is versatile. It can go on tablets, phones, computers, etc. Allows organization data to categorize data. It allows multiple accesses. People access it on different areas. They access it in different ways, different times. So this is the team I selected: Chris, Ronnie, and Emmanuel. Which opportunities will the system bring? To bring employment opportunities for system administrators, etc. The system will reduce the workload at work. The system will help the organization employ lesser labor. So how we dividing whatever because of time, that's why I'm skipping some of these things. This is the work breakdown, the days, defining data requirements, 2 days, interview 6, design interview 6, design interview form 1, scheduling appointment 1 day, conducting interviews 4 days, coding 6 days, testing 1 day. So the budget, this was basically our budget. The business requirements, the system will be able to enable the employee to log in and see the books. System will help the administrator, the employee, and to see what is going on with the system on each one's side. Then functional requirements, The system should be able to allow clients access on a customer side, should be able to show downloads, the system should be able to search books, the system should show the books downloaded by the employee. On the writer side, the system should be able to show the timelines and the downloads of customers. System should be able to show downloads. The writer should be able to receive messages and feedback, comments, etc. On the administrator side, the administrator, of course, he accesses even the database, so the system should be able to show him all the writers, the customers, and the downloads. Non-functional security, system should be able to provide security of data, auditing, performance, should respond quickly, capacity should be able to store large amounts of data, availability should not deny authorized people access, reliability, the system should be reliable, give accurate data, integrity, should not corrupt data. This is the Gantt chart from day 1 to the last day. This is how it is arranged. Scheduling, how we scheduled our things. DFD, diagram, data flow diagrams. You see the customer logs in, system checks for details, the writer uploads the book, the writer sees the downloaded books. The same thing here. Context diagram, the customer registers, then customer log, the system sends the log in details, sign up details, then the writer writes and uploads the book, the writer receives notification when the book is downloaded. Then this one is the ERR diagram, which is basically customer, writer, book, downloads, their categories, and the address. You can see they are connected there. Then finally we assessed the risk, analyzed everything, came out with a solution down here. To the system, this is the solution down here. The system will have a backup system just in case there is an attack. We can find bookstore, the CRM, which is supposed to be connecting writers to the administrators and writers to the customers or people accessing the website. So as you can see, it has functionalities. It tells you there is a registering part, there is a login part. Of course you can't log in before you register. Let's try this. When you press register, okay, before we go that side, let us first try this. So when we are here, they will show you top books, best-selling books, etc. So when you tap on the details of the book, maybe the introduction to database, you will see the date it was uploaded. Then it will show you that the title of the book, the author who wrote it, and ISBN. ISBN, I don't know, is every book has it. It is like the ID. So when you reach at this step, the book have not yet logged in, and you touch here, you cannot download. It will show you first login. So you first come here. Of course, if you don't have an account, you won't log in. You have to register. When you tap register, you put your names. First name, maybe Martin, Matt. Second name, Man. Then username, Man. then the email, then the telephone number, maybe this one. Then you choose the account type. Are you an author or a normal person visitor? A normal visitor. You have to choose the normal, because you're a visitor, you're not an author. So town, then you enter password, the password you want to use. Maybe, let me see, and then you register. As you can see, the app is telling you, the web is telling you, thank you for registering with us, enjoy the reading. So you scroll down, we go back where we went, and they asked us to log in. When you reach here, it will ask you to log in this level. Let us log in and see. The account is man, the username we put in, the account type was normal, our password was, then we log in. When you log in, you will realize that something has changed. When we go back here, the book will show you the download button. Because you're logged in, you will see the download button. So if you want to download, you just tap and the book will download, as you're seeing there down. If you want to see the profile, you can tap. If you want to, maybe, let's go back. Let's go back. The same thing will happen when you go this side. It will show you to download. You will download. If you download, so let us see when you want to log in as an author. So if you want to log in as an author, let us first go back. If you want to log in as an author, so you will have to create an author's account. Let us see. Let's create one. Maybe let us call him Ronnie. Then money. Username will be Ronnie. Email. Telephone number, maybe this one. Then author's account. Then town, Kamwenge, district, Kamwenge. Then password. Then we register. Thank you for joining the community of writers. So if you want to log in as an author, or maybe let us use Ronnie, because we already created Ronnie's account. Then you log in, you press login. It will bring this where to put the name. Put Ronnie, then account type is a writer, and then the password. Enter the password, then we log in. So when you log in, they will tell you no books uploaded yet. Ronnie has not uploaded any books. Or if you want to upload a book, maybe if you want to send a notification maybe you are the administrator or what, you go here, and here you put the title, then you put what you want to send. Then if you want to add a book, you press on book to bring you everything: ISBN, title, publisher, date, category, the category, these categories, database, programming, HTML, the other ones, top books, new books, those categories. Then here you put the cover pic, or here you put the file you want to upload the book, and you're done. Then you come back here and log out. Yeah, that's how basically this system of mine works. Thank you. Bye bye.